Brother, give. Brother, give.
So let me get this straight. Why? Just why?
What do you want me to do? They don't feed us anymore, so I had to improvise.
So we're doing collateral now?
Think of it as a security deposit. They get it back. Eventually, it's a win-win situation.
Should I be calling you a thief or an entrepreneur right now?
I'm basically running a no-interest loan system for tourists. Glasses back, snacks paid, easy as that.
Sounds good, but then you went full 50 Shades on that cliff. Was that part of your security deposit?
Oh, don't worry about that. It was just, a little show for the audience. Your cousin knows what's up.
I could have sworn you said you didn't have those glasses anymore.
Oh, these? Don't worry about them. They're just divine gift from the cliff gods, I swear.